Hello, and welcome back to our newest video bite, where we bring you the latest news and products in our industry. I'm Greg Hrinya, editor of L&NW, and today we're diving into some major developments at PRI Plus, which is known for making label constructions that stick to anything. And now they've made a move that's going to push label constructions even further. Joining me to talk about it is President of PRI Plus, Jason Crooks. Jason, thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
So, Jason, I hear there's some big additions for PRI Plus. You've introduced the new label stock with a MONSTROUS adhesive. But first, you also added a new coater to your floor. That's a pretty big investment. Let's talk about that.
Well, our new coater will tackle three main things. First, we're expanding our capacity. More and more companies are switching to our aggressive stocks and taking advantage of our low minimum order quantities. Scaling up means we can keep our fast turnaround times. Second, we're pushing the limits of what perfect roll stock looks like. We've always focused on precision and consistency. This coater takes it even further, ensuring every roll is uniform and dialed into exactly what our customers are asking for. And third, we're introducing a UV acrylic adhesive that fits our brand. Our first UV adhesive is aggressive, durable, and versatile.
So that's a pretty big list. Let's talk about the coater itself and what makes it so special.
For us, it's about precision and flexibility. This coater gives us both. It's built on a top-of-the-line system, and then we've added technology that keeps every roll incredibly consistent.
And as far as consistency goes, how so?
This coater is a closed-loop system. The web is constantly scanned, and the independent zones in the coating head automatically adjust temperatures and pressures. This allows for very accurate coat weights, less scrap, less rework, and more reliable rolls for our customers.
So it's like quality control built into the process, right?
Exactly. Plus, the system stores settings for every run. That means we're able to analyze each job for continual improvement and to maintain more control. So if a customer loves a job, we can duplicate it months later.
That sounds like a lot to learn, is it?
Yeah, it definitely is. There's a lot happening with the new system. Thankfully, the Valco team has been right there with us from the start. They've been very hands-on, making sure the setup was spot on, teaching our crew and passing along years of experience and knowledge. And they're right down the road if any service is required.
That's really impressive. You certainly sound ready for the challenge. Is that because of all the buzz surrounding your new UV line, zillaBite?
Absolutely. zillaBite is our new UV acrylic adhesive that lets us step into the durable label market.
So speaking of durability, zillaBite is being called monstrously durable. Where do you see this product really shining? And are we talking about decades of performance in outdoor applications?
Durability is really the core of what we were looking to add with zillaBite. We're all about constructions that stick to anything. And now we've also got something that'll stick, well, basically forever. zillaBite will outlast most of our face stocks. It can handle 350 degrees temperatures. It has great water and chemical resistance, and it doesn't degrade in the sun.
So zillaBite seems super versatile. Is this something converters can get a lot of different uses out of?
We developed zillaBite to work on lawnmowers, industrial equipment, big power storage units. We've also had customers test and improve on all kinds of materials. Converters will be able to stock this one product and serve a lot of different clients. Electronics, automotive, medical, foam applications. We were even surprised when zillaBite outperformed hot melts on specific wood applications and on a textured synthetic football. Just a bunch of uses.
Jason, this is really exciting news. Cutting edge new coater and a high performance UV line. Thanks so much for taking the time to talk with me about this today.
Thank you for having me.
So if you're a label converter looking for an aggressive, high performance label stock, check out PRI Plus, their new zillaBite UV acrylic adhesive. And learn more by heading to their website or scan the QR code here on the screen. Thank you.